My so-called life is sponsored by... How's it going? I am Godless Sewing and this is the Godless Sewing channel. You know, I'm always wandering through thrift stores. I'm always buying denim jackets and shirts and, you know, continuing on my black t-shirt obsession. But the one thing I do not talk about is the fact that I buy and refurbish old sewing machines. But before we get into it, let's check out a word from our not so official sponsors.
A short while ago, America fell in love with the Singer Handy Stitch. But you ain't seen nothing yet. Introducing the Singer Tiny Tailor, a compact, lightweight mender. It's genuine Singer quality, genuine Singer performance, at a price that will amaze you.
So, I bought this sewing machine years ago. It's missing a few components, but with a little love, it still works. And the one thing I made sure to do was lubricate it. And when you use an ancient machine, you got to use ancient lube. So, the one thing above all, regardless of all the missing pieces, is, does it work? Let's find out. All right, a moment of truth. Let's find out if it works. All right, power. And I will say, for the record, if this does work, I'm going to add it to the fleet. It will be beautiful. Oh, light works. All right. We'll have the short stitch. Have it on high. Oh. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look, regardless of how it sounds. Let's take a look. It works. Oh, that's a total victory. Beautiful. Next thing to do, next logical thing to do when you refurbish a sewing machine, it works. You add stickers to it. So in the end, the Tiny Tailor is missing a few pieces, but you know what? With a little love, it still works. So in the end, as I always say, reinforce your seams, be yourself, and I will definitely see you next time.